Alrighty, guys. Good morning. It's Thursday, the 20th. You can see down there, 6:30 a.m. Market just opened up, and Thursday is put day, so we're just selling off right away, I guess. Um, I debated shorting the open. I talked to Matt about that yesterday, but um, off the rip, we opened here and we pushed up. So from 211. Yeah, we had like a 35, 40 point push, which is like tough. Um, wow, that trap plus is really tempting. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, especially on a Thursday. But we gotta wait for things to simmer down. So on the first minute, see if that gets any type of reaction. Um, right off the rip, what I'm seeing, buying zone, super strong reaction, kind of near VWAP, getting a solid bid. Um, That trap plus looks pretty good. Entry is 99. I'm actually going to stab it a little bit late. I like that entry a lot. Um, I know I said I was going to let things calm down, but sometimes you gotta take what you see. Ooh, I'm going to get stopped. Hopefully not. That's a really strong algo too right there. Right here. Yeah, stopped. That's a bummer. I thought that was going to go, honestly. When this printed, for sure I thought it was going to go. So 99. Yeah, you didn't quite get 15. Oh, that's funny. But the retrap just paid super good. That's awesome. Well, um, looking at volume, looks like we're getting a nice. I mean, it's not really that crazy compared to compared to this wave. But I'm gonna pause it and we'll see what happens. All right, so I kind of like longs right here at this VWAP area. Entry right there was 63. Oh, it's gonna go. Maybe not. Yeah, there's 15. Damn. Oh, I hesitated on that because of how fast this PA kind of is right now. It's a little bit sketchy. So here was the idea though. So we kind of did this, trapped both of these guys. Um, Technically it was divergence, I guess. Oh no, actually, it was not. It was not. It was a trap though. Trap in the zone. Man, I missed that. That's a bummer. All right, we'll keep waiting. Okay, well, I just got stopped again. I tried to short this trap plus. I guess my bias is wrong. I thought that Thursdays are really good to short for some reason, but I guess I need to just take each day on its own, kind of case by case. So, um, I mean, yeah, that's tough. Being down two stops right away is no fun, but I'm gonna wait for long opportunities now. Ready, we're long this time, not shorts. We're long. This trap plus in the zone, strong signal. So we got stopped on shorts, which means we should try to go long. Okay, nice. 15 there. I debated trying to push this for 30. Almost got 30. You got 25. All right, I'm gonna keep waiting. Try to find longs for the rest of the day until we're showing any sign of weakness. Then I'll try to short. We really need to get below like these areas. We need to get below these data lows at the hundreds. So, um, really interesting short there at 17. I think that's gonna pay. Yeah. Dude, these trades happen so fast though. It's just like it's so hard to catch, man. Like, so we printed that strong B plus reversal and then the retrap in the zone. I mean, you just knew that that one was gonna work, but they're so fast. It's the problem with this market right now is it's just impossible. Um, so this interested to see if we can get a retrap of this guy, but I'm gonna keep waiting. This might be super risky. I'm long on this super strong reversal signal at VWAP. Okay, got 15. Man, like that's what I'm saying. These trades are so fast. It's like I had to limit into this one because I couldn't. So here, let me just see. Charts and data, show executions. So the entry on this was 63, but I grabbed it. God, that's so ugly looking. 63. I grabbed it at 67. So I'm literally just like when I see shit happening, I'm hitting join bid. I'm not gonna mark it in because that's a little bit scarier in my opinion. You can get 10 points of slippage or so. But yeah, all right. So we're break even on the day, or I mean just below 1 point. So we'll try and get 16 or 17 points on the next trade. But um, I'd be really interested to see if we can trap this guy and make a little divergence in doing so. But so we have 4 trades so far, 2 winners, 2 losers, I think. Yeah, 2 winners, 2 losers. I wish I started with 2 winners. um, ooh, this short at 87 is actually really sick. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. Ooh, night. Whoa, 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 whoa. See what I'm saying? Like how fast this shit moves? It's crazy. It's crazy. And now we have like 2 selling zones and a buying zone. Um, yeah, I don't know what this wants to do, man. I really don't. This is crazy. Um, we've shown a lot of support though at this area, at this VWAP at the 50s, so that seems like a good spot to try to find a long. Man, if I had just held this, holy shit, dude. But how can you know, right? How can you know? Um, if we can retrap this guy though, that would be sweet. That would be huge. Um, hmm. Let's see. Damn, it might just go. Yeah, that's a bummer. All right, we'll keep waiting. Okay. Oh, it might just be gone. I was gonna see if we can get a retrap of this guy. Yeah, it looks like it's just gone. Okay. Oh, we are trapping this guy though. Across the range though. Um, yeah, I can't take that. I mean, look at what you're pushing against. I think market wants up from here. This is a super, super big spike in sellers though if it prints down. If it prints down, no, it's not going to. Yep. All right. Whoa, whoa. Oops. All right. I'm going to keep waiting. Okay, I'm going to try and short 41 here. Volume divergence trapping all this crap up here. Kind of playing the range. Strong signal there too. Let's see what happens. All right, just an instant stop. That's super fun. Um, Not much you can do there. You can take the re-entry though. Did we even trap that though? Can't tell if we trapped it. I can't see the high of this candle, so I have no idea. right, well, all right, I'm long from 200 on that trap plus in the zone. Um, Big sell off out of nowhere, so kind of sketchy to fight that. But we have the volume on our side. You know, we kind of have this big wave and then we divergence. So, um, tell you what, though, if we get follow through to the downside, I'm probably just gonna short this shit. Need to print that 99 again for this to work. Have to. We need some follow through. We need 05. Need some buyers on the tape here. Hmm. Printed 99 again. Triple bottom right there on the Ranko. New candle just opened though. We're gonna get swept. Yeah. Bummer. I think that re-entry is gonna go. I'm trying it. Yeah. So this didn't go, then we trapped it with a delta, and that paid. Oops. All right, man. These days have just been up, down for me. Just, ugh. All right, I am short right now. We look like we're just gonna go. No, that's crazy. I thought we were just gonna sell off after we printed this delta and this big spike in volume to the downside. Um, Super risky, honestly. This trade is super risky. But I'm just gonna say it. If we're gonna sell off, then I want to be able to grab something. But looks like we're not going to yet. We're just gonna keep chopping around at VWAP all fucking day. Jeez, man. This is like, oh my god, this is so lame. All right, I shorted that there. The trap plus, it gave 15, but my entry was late, and I'm gonna get destroyed. Oh man, that is so tough, bro. Okay, thank God I took this, but I got really scared when I saw that. Not gonna lie. Back to one stop. Man, today is just fucking brutal. Okay, wait, I'm actually gonna long that. Oh no. I missed it. The retrap of that at 12. Oh no, that's so lame. Oh, I was so close to getting filled. Oh, that's painful. That's painful. Not gonna lie. That is so painful. But um damn. C11. Yeah, you would have gotten filled. These trades just happen so fast, man. So fast. Okay, we're getting a retrap of this reversal signal, which excuse me, which we've talked about. They have a pretty good win rate. You are fighting volume though, which I don't love, but I mean, these reversal signal retraps are usually really, really good. Um, so we're trying 47, and we're getting a nice spike in volume here, I guess, which is good. Once I get close to like 10 points or so, nice. I'm gonna go nice, nice, nice. Okay. Okay, thank God. I was gonna go break even there, as you saw, once I got closer to 10 points. Yeah, I mean, valid idea. Great stab there. Like we said, those reversal retraps are super, super strong. Even if volume is not on your side, I mean, that was a good short. Really, really good. We're gonna keep waiting. Okay, super quick entry. I'm short on this trap plus strong algo signal right here. Be great to just like be able to be green for the day. Just like fighting break even all week for some reason. Ah. Tell y'all what, the same shit. If I get like the thing get below 37 or so and get 10 points, I'm gonna go break even. I'm not trying to get 10, get stopped. Literally like finger on the break even button. Come on, push down to 37. 37. All right, fuck that. Stop the break even. I mean, what are you gonna do? You know, what are you gonna do? So the entry was 47. So your stop is gonna be 57, 62. Stop is 62. I wonder if that break even stop was gonna save me from a full stop. That would be sick if that's the case. Ooh, there's the stop. All right, hey, seat time does something, man. I'm telling you. Okay, wait, but now that trap 47, the retrap of the previous one. Ooh, 53. I actually like this a lot. I really like it actually. I'm gonna try this. I'm gonna go. So here's the idea. Here's this trap plus that printed. Here's the wave, retrapping the trap plus, double divergence. I mean, market is going to show us now if it wants to just go up, right? So I think that it is actually looking at the structure here. I don't think this is going to work. But it's a trap plus, so we're giving it a stab. Yeah, we're going to get stopped. So, even though this printed up, the volume is still like flipped, if that makes sense. I mean, you have to take the re-entry, dude. You just have to. In my opinion, you have to take the retrap. Because we are grabbing that high. We came above it. Not by much, but we did. Above 71, I'll probably kill it because the volume will flip to buyers, I think. Yeah, there's the flip. All right. I'm in long off of this zone, kind of trapping these guys. I mean, seems like market wants up, so I'm trying to respect that trend. Um, man, this is exhausting. How bad this price action has been today, but Okay. Good trade. Yay. Um, Dude, this is like exhausting. Oh my God. How many trades have I taken? Taken 13 trades, bro. I've taken 16 plus 13 is 29. I've taken 30 trades in 4 days, dude. That's so many. I usually take like 3 to 4 a day, and I'm at 30 in 4 days. That's ridiculous. But I'm not trying to be like super aggressive with these accounts. I'm obviously okay to lose, but I want to try to get the minimum for the profit, which is 150. So um, I'm gonna try to just keep fighting. I mean, I'm not taking bad trades. I would say that this, where was it? Shorting this in between the Keltners was my only bad decision. I deserve to lose that. 70. Yeah, I mean, that was a bad trade, but all the other ones I've taken have not been bad, in my opinion. All right, I'm long on the retrap of this guy. So we had a trap plus, came down, back down, trap below, re-entry there. I didn't want to take the first stab, didn't want to be too aggressive, but looks like I'm just going to get stopped anyways. If we can get above 83, we are chilling. If we can get above 83, but yeah, we're cooked, I think. Below 65 in this print, it's going to flip, I think. Yeah, strong algo print down there. It's going to get slapped. Oh man, this day, man, this day. Just a random sell off for 50 points. All right, well, I'm trying to grab a limit into 20 short, the POC retest of this big push. I'm going to try and push this a little bit for 20 if I can. So the POC is right here at 22. I grabbed it a couple points early because I just wanted to make sure I grabbed it in case it wants to start pushing early. Looking good so far. We're halfway to TP. Technically, we're up 10. We're up 10 points there. Yeah, I think this can. I think this can go. I think it can work. Try to squeeze a couple more dollars out of it. Nice. Good trade there. We got 20. What's $470? 23 points, 24 points. Not bad. Not bad. I mean, shit. Our entry was pretty damn good. It's up 40 points now. And honestly, boys, I am fucking out of here. That was such a lame day. I'm like, but here's the thing. I didn't lose my cool. That's what matters, right? I stayed patient, I stayed disciplined, and I ended up coming out on top, right? It's about the probability, it's about the math. You know what I mean? Like, even though I took so many trades, like I said, only one of them was bad. It was, excuse me, it was trying to short in between the Keltners and get an extension, right? That was a bad trade, and I know that now. Um, but all the other trades were not bad. They were all on process. Some of them might have had better judgment than others, but um, I stayed patient. I waited for setups that could help me get out of that drawdown, right? I didn't start stabbing stuff randomly. I didn't FOMO into trades. Um, the POC retest is kind of a subjective thing. with waves that are this big, like you expect some type of rejection at the POC, usually, in my opinion, and I just happened to grab it at the exact right spot. And now look at it. I mean, it's up. I grabbed it at 20. It's up 50 points right now. Um, I think though, like I said, if we get below VWAP and get a strong close below these 40s or so, we're gonna see, you know, potentially these overnights at the 20s. So anyway, that's it.